Hello, my name is Andy Bloom. I'm the instructor for the course Math 15101. This is Algebra 1 for the spring 2020 semester. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and just kind of introduce you to the course itself. We will have an orientation on Friday, and so you'll have the opportunity to kind of see some of this stuff again. But there are things that you need to do before we meet on Friday. Okay, when you enter into the class every time, you will open the course in the modules page, which is where all of the course content will be located. So in the Start Here module right now, you'll see a page that welcomes you to the course. If you open that up, you will see the dates that our course is meeting. Those four are published within WebAdvisor. So our orientation on January 31st, and then our first unit test will be on February 28th, second unit test on March 20th, third unit test on April 24th. The fourth unit test is going to be scheduled by appointment. I'll make sure that there are plenty of times that you have an opportunity to come in and take the test in the last 2 weeks of the semester, so the week prior to final exams and then during final exams week. And so we'll have no problem scheduling everyone to come in and take the test. Prior to our meeting on Friday, you need to complete the syllabus assignment and you need to answer the 4 questions that is the intro to My Open Math. So both of those can be accessed right here through this link on this page, or if you go back to the modules page, you can access them both through the link within the module. Okay, this is the first semester that I've used My Open Math. It is a completely free resource for you, which is why I've chosen it for this semester. It saves you the $120 that you would have had to spend for my math lab, and hopefully it's going to be seamless and there's not going to be any problem at all. The other things that you see here, strategies for success, this is, I think, the 10th time that I've taught this class as a hybrid course. And so I give you just some indications, things that I've learned over the years that I've been doing it, things I've heard from students that work, and things that don't work. And then scanning and submitting a document. Every week you're going to have to submit an assignment, and that assignment would be scanned and submitted through Canvas. You don't need to have a scanner for this class. Your cell phone actually has a scanning app in it. If you have an iPhone now, you can actually scan documents through the notes section. If you have Dropbox on your phone, you can scan through that. If you have a scanner at home, of course that works as well. And we'll talk about that more on Friday. You can ignore the course materials with the study guide. We'll talk about that more on Friday. But then where I kind of want to draw your attention is getting into Unit 1, Week 1. And this is the content that needs to be completed this week. This is a little bit of a heavier week. Some of these are things that you know already, and so should have no problem working through. But this is kind of the basic structure of the course, where you will go into an overview of the concepts for the week. Here again, you can see the syllabus assignment. The group work will be due on Friday night, so you don't need to worry too much about that. But then as you go to the bottom, if you click on the next button, now you'll see an introduction to the concepts. And this is kind of the way the course is laid out day by day, is as much background as I can give you. And then math is difficult to write within Canvas, and so what I've done instead is created these PDF files that you can open and work through. You can print them out, and most of them, so for example this order of operations, as you go through, I give you my explanation of what order of operations is, how to go about using it, and then common questions that people have, and examples that I work through kind of like a textbook would, and then some problems for you to do at the end. So at the end of this, here are 3 problems for you to work on, and then I walk you through the step-by-step of each of the answers for that. Okay. once you see a lesson or content, then you'll see homework. Okay, so if you once you go through the homework and you finish that, then you can move on to the next lesson. Okay, so the process works through the modules, where you should be looking at content, doing homework assignment, working on content, doing a homework assignment. If you do a little bit every day, you should have no problem at all with the amount of work that there is. Okay, each week you'll have homework. The homework closes on Sunday night, and then you'll also have a group work assignment. Okay, the first week the group work assignment is due on Friday after we meet. Every week after that, the group work assignment is due on Thursday at 8 p.m. Okay, we'll talk more about the group work when we see each other on Friday, but this should be enough to get you started and get you moving in the right direction. If you want to see the syllabus itself, you can click on the syllabus tab and you'll see it opens up. This is a printable document that I would encourage you either have it open while you're taking the syllabus assignment or print it out and have it sitting next to you. Okay, there's a good explanation of all of the things that you will be responsible for, the course description, the course student learning outcomes. So if you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, I will see everyone on Friday the 31st at 7:45 in the morning in 3307. I look forward to meeting everybody.